Okay, that sounds really good. It seems to me that it has been a very nice week for everyone. Okay, chicos, I have some questions about the video that you had to see for today, which is IELTS Part 3. Let's begin with Carlos Arturo. Yes, okay, Carlos Arturo, tell me, what do you remember about the video? Mm-hmm. 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 Very good. Mm-hmm. Very good. Okay, thank you, Arturo. Thank you very much. Carlos, what does the person say when he wants to mean when he means buy time? What is that? What expressions did he say about that? Can you listen to me? Describe a special occasion in your life. Where did it take place? When did it take place? Who was there? Explain your feelings on this occasion. And the follow-up questions that we have is this. Tell me how you organize your study time. What do you think it is important in achieving happiness? How do Chinese celebrate some happy events? What do the camera and video play in celebrating? Yes. So people, I'm going to give you 1 minute to think about the answers, and then I'm going to ask randomly to you, and you are going to have 3 minutes to talk about this. Is that clear, students? Okay. So up to now, you have 1 minute. Mm-hmm. Yes? I. Mhm. 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 Mhm.